Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, eto yung update natin. Ano na ba yung progress ng ating Phase 1 pre-sale kay Trend Token? Congratulations sa mga holders natin, no? There's already 5,517 funds raised so far dito sa ating Phase 1 ng pre-sale ng ating Trend Token. So, ayan, so far meron pa tayong natitira na out of 25,000 no na pondo natin dito sa phase 1. But kaya nga nang sabi ko guys, maubos man or hindi, once na nag-end na yung ano dito no, yung timer na yan, so there's only 30 days left para matapos yung ating phase 1. So that's actually end of February. Okay? So magtatapos na ang January, ang bilis ng panahon no. So end of February, end ng pre-sale phase 1 natin, which is 0.001. Okay? And then, i-open natin yung pre-sale phase 2, and ang price na niya is 0.01, which is 10x na agad, no? Pero dun sa mga nag-buy ngayon sa 0.001, guys, i-hold nyo lang yung inyong mga Trend Token kasi I'm very excited sa mga ilo-launch natin na project, and alam naman natin na ang native token or native currency na gagamitin sa mga projects na ilo-launch natin ngayon this year, no, is only Trend Token. So marami tayong paggagamitan yan, which means na magkakaroon talaga ng significant value yung token na to. And bukod pa doon, yung pag-launch natin nito, which is very soon na rin, no? Pwedeng mapaaga, depende sa ma-raise natin na funds. Okay? So, ilalagay natin yung, meron tayong allocated na amount, certain amounts for the liquidity. Okay? I think it's 20% of the total supply. So again, there's only 500 million supply of Trend Token. And yun na yun. Hindi na siya madadagdagan. It's not mintable. So congratulations na dun sa mga early holders natin. I-hold nyo lang yan. And by the way, pwede nyo na rin gamitin nga pala yung inyong mga Trend Token sa pag-boost ng inyong mga social media accounts. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga followers and mga views sa YouTube, which is pwedeng ma-monetize ang inyong mga channels, 'di ba? So especially dun sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, very useful talaga. Meron akong i-upload na video. Ito yung yung YouTube account ng aking daughter, which has only less than 200 subscribers. So ito yung account ng aking daughter. So less than 200 subscribers. And now, so far, meron na siyang 521 subscribers. So ang ginamit ko lang is yung Trend with Threads na na social media booster. So, napaka-helpful nito, lalo na sa mga maliit na channel pa lang, mga nagsisimula, kung gusto nyo agad na ma-boost ang inyong channel, okay, you can use our trendwiththreads.com na website wherein pwede kayong mag-pay in just less than $10, magkakaroon kayong additional 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Very useful talaga yan. So, yun yung very first na project natin with Trends na magagamit nyo na agad yung token, yung ating Trend Token. And aside from that, ilo-launch din natin kasabay ng phase 2 ng pre-sale yung ating staking kay Trends. Kasi syempre gusto natin na hindi natatambay yung ating mga investment, 'di ba? So gusto natin kumikita at nag-grow pa rin yan. That's why meron pa rin tayong staking projects where you can stake your Trend Token. So it means while holding your Trend Tokens, magge-generate pa yan ng more trends while waiting for the listing. Okay? Once nagkaroon na kasi ito ng liquidity sa PancakeSwap, maite-trade na to. Okay? And that's the start. Pwede na rin siyang malist sa other exchange. Alright? And then, yeah, who knows? 'Di ba? Basta ang project na to, guys, this is for long term. This is for lifetime actually. So this is my very own project where alam natin na wala tayong pangamba na baka ma-scam, 'di ba? So, yan, congratulations sa mga nakapag-buy na, and very much appreciate ko, guys, dun sa mga nagsusupport sa ating project. And meron kayo talagang magiging benefits dito. Malaking benefits. Okay? So, congratulations ngayon pa lang. And thank you so much for your support, all-out support and trust sa project. Don't worry guys, this will all be worth it. Alright? So, sabay ng launch ng ating phase 2 ng pre-sale, which is, ang value na niyan is 0.01. Hindi pa yan magiging tradable guys ha. Nag 10x na yung inyong mga investment dito sa phase 1, which is nabili nyo lang ng 0.001. But by just holding that, okay, pag nilaunch natin by March, first week of March, nag 10x na agad yung value ng inyong mga trend token. And pagka-launch din natin ng ating staking, doon mag-accumulate pa lalo ang inyong mga holdings na trend token. And I'm very excited kasi once na nilagyan na yan ng liquidity, pwedeng after few days after the launch ng ating staking, or depende guys, okay? So depende sa takbo ng project. Okay? But I'm very happy dito sa result. Ngayon pa lang, 'di ba? So silipin din natin yung ating trend contract. Okay? Kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa trend dito sa ating BSC scan. So, ito yung maximum total supply, 500 million trend token. And so far, there are 40 holders, unique holders. Alright, different wallets yan. And there are 63 transactions or total transfers. Ayan. So, ito ang ating trend contract. Ayan, this is 100% exact match, smart contract. And ito yung mga transfers. Tingnan natin. Ayan, buy token. Tingnan natin yung date. So, dito... Ayan, 3 hours ago, 6 hours, 2 days, 3 days. So, ayan guys ha. Don't forget to claim your free airdrops as well. Ayan, yung mga nagki-claim. Itong mga 100 na to, ito yung mga airdrops. So, free lang yan guys. 'Di ba? Gas fee lang ang inyong gagastusin dyan. Pero makakaipon na kayo. Okay, samantalahin natin. And congratulations sa mga nagbabay. Ayan, no, mga... Ayan, 113,000, 25,000. So, nasa approximately... $50 to $100. Ito yung mga binibili nila. Okay? And, yan. Pwede nyo i-track no, ang ating trend token here sa BSC scan. Ayan, buy token, buy token. So, I appreciate you guys sa mga tumatangkilik ng ating project, sa mga nagsusupport. And I'll make sure na magkakaroon kayo ng big result dito. Okay? And then we can also check these holders. Ayan, so, ito sa chart. Ayan. So, ito yung top 100 holders. Actually, there are 40 holders so far. And ito yung from biggest holdings. Actually, these are the wallets na kung saan ito yung mga vested na amounts. And what I mean with vested is nakalock yan. Kasi syempre, pag nilaunch natin to, pag nilagyan natin to ng liquidity, so, may iwasan yung pag-dump ng token kasi may mga holdings na mga malalaki na yan, pwede nilang i-sell agad, diba? Which is magkakos ng pagbaba ng price. Okay? So, I'll make sure na hindi mangyayari yun. Kaya dun sa mga nag-hold guys, diamond hands, sabi nga nila, diba? So, yun, i-hold nyo lang ang inyong mga trend token and make sure that you're accumulating your holdings kasi nasa huli ang pagsisisi, 'di ba? So baka yung iba nag-iisip-isip pa and tumatakbo yung oras. So after the pre-sale, ayan, sabi ko nga medyo malaki na, 0.01 na. And then ang listing price natin is 10 cents. All right? So that's all for now for my updates. And by the way, you can also share your referral links dito sa ating pre-sale, no? Pwede rin kayong mag-refer and you can earn commissions. Okay? Ano yan? In trend token din yan. So, pag nag-buy ang inyong mga referrals, madadagdagan ang inyong trend token, which is good, 'di ba? So, pwede nyong kopyahin yung trend contract para mai-add nyo sa inyong mga wallet. Once nag-buy kayo, guys, say for example, i-click nyo yung trend contract na yan. You just need to copy the contract address, which is nandito yun, guys. Ayan. So, i-copy nyo lang siya. And then, once copied, punta lang kayo sa inyong mga wallets. Say, for example, on your Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet, ayan. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito, guys, is, okay, so, this account, meron na siyang trend. Let's check kung meron tayong other account. So, ito, Tignan natin kung meron siyang trend dito. So, wala pa. So, gagawin lang natin guys, click Manage Crypto. I-toggle off ko lang muna lahat ng hindi ko kailangan dyan. Ayan. I mean, yung wala namang balance, no? So, after that, dito guys, so meron ditong plus button. Click nyo yan. And dito sa network, BNB Smart Chain, select that. And then, i-paste na natin yung contract address na kinapi natin. Alright. And then, automatic na yun, guys. Mag-fill up na yung details, yung name, symbol, and decimals. So, click na lang natin yung import. And that's it. So, nandito na siya ngayon, guys, sa ating wallets. Alright. So, itong account na to, wala siyang trend token. So, actually, you need gas fee to claim. But this account is just a dummy account. So, hindi ko to gagamitin. I think nahack yung account na to eh. So, hindi ko lang siya na-delete pa. So, yun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple, no? Mag-add ng token dito sa inyong mga wallets. Alright? So, i-copy nyo lang. Actually, pwede rin naman siya na, pwede rin siyang try natin, no? So, punta ka lang sa browser, discover, and then i-type mo dito is presale.trendtokenhub.com. Okay, and then click natin yung go. And then before that, kailangan naka-BSC Smart Chain tayo, no? So, i-click natin yung 3 dots dito. And switch EVM network, select natin yung BNB Smart Chain. So, after that, click natin yung connect wallet. Select natin kung anong wallet na gamit. Okay, then connect. And then after that, i-click natin yung add to MetaMask. So, MetaMask lang yung default na nakalagay dyan. But if you're using SafePal, Trust Wallet, Token Packet, that's okay. Click lang natin yung button na yan. And yun, since it's already there, inad natin kanina, so sabi niya already exists na daw. But if not, you can also click that button and maa-add na siya sa inyong mga wallet. So that way, makikita nyo yung inyong balance kung kayo nag-claim ng airdrop or nag-buy kayo ng pre-sale. So that's all my update for now with Trend Token. And kapag airdrop naman, you just need to type airdrop.trendtokenhub.com. So, ganyan lang guys. And then you can start claiming your free 100 Trend Token airdrops. Okay? So, i-compute natin ngayon, no? Kung magkano ba yung kiniklaim na 10 na yan. So, I mean, 100 Trend Token times, ang amount ngayon is 0.001. So, ito lang siya. Ito lang yung value niya for now. Okay? Still, it's free. But, of course, sabi ko nga, mag-accumulate tayo, no? So, what if naging, na siya, 0.01 sa phase 2. Okay? I-multiply natin yan sa 0.01. So, that's $1. You're claiming $1. It's free money. Okay? But if you hold this one, guys, kapag na-list na ito sa centralized exchange or sa PancakeSwap or sa PooCoin, ma-trade na natin siya doon. So, that's the major or the very first centralized exchange na pwede natin i-trade si Trend Token, no? So, I'll make a video on that, on how to trade your Trend Token once na na-list na natin to. Okay? Once na nagkaroon na siya ng liquidity. So, the price is 10 cents. Diba? So, 100, this is free na kiniklaim natin, times 10 cents. So, that's 10 USD in value. So, by just holding your Trend Token, who knows, diba? Pag ito guys ay na-list, meron kayong $10 na kiniklaim pala every claim, diba? So, let's pray for this guys. And I need your help and support. Alright? But whatever happens, whatever it takes, ipupursue ko talaga yung project na to. And this is my long-term and lifetime project. So, that's it guys. That's all for now. And again, thank you so much for staying in my channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon there. And also, join our Telegram channel for more latest updates and announcements. Thank you so much guys for watching. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.